Thank you very much, Mark. Good morning, everybody. Um, Welcome to this meeting of the voluntary retirement and early retirement panels, voluntary redundancy on Wednesday, the 17th of December. Last one before Christmas. Probably one of the last meetings, I think, official meetings, I think, before Christmas as well. Am I right, Mark?
I think so, Chair.
Yes, right. So first of all, I welcome all of you again. We've had a few apologies already from Councillor Webber and Councillor Jones, I believe. Is that right, Mark?
Yeah, that's correct. And Councillor Bonetto.
Councillor Bonetto as well. Okay. We've also got some additional councillors this morning to make up the quorum. Councillor Bob Harris and Councillor Capel as well. Is he actually with us now, Mark?
Yeah,
Right, great, fantastic. So, do we first of all have any declarations of interest at all? Nothing I can see. Okay. And secondly, the minutes of the 19th of the last meeting of the 19th of November, which I chaired. I am happy to move those minutes as accurate. Anybody able to second that, please?
Yeah, I can second that.
Thank you, Councillor Graham. Fantastic. Right, so if we can consider passing the undermentioned motion.
those happy to second.
Okay. Are we good to go?